Today we're diving into the world of roofing to answer a question many homeowners are asking. What do modern metal roofs look like? If you think metal roofs are all industrial and cold, think again. Stick around as we explore the beauty and versatility of modern metal roofs. Did you know that modern metal roofs are a far cry from the stereotype of plain, metallic surfaces? In fact, they've undergone a stylish makeover, and today we're focusing on a game changer, stone-coated steel. Let's kick things off by rewinding a bit and exploring how metal roofs have evolved. Traditionally, metal roofs were functional, but lacked the aesthetic appeal many homeowners desire. Enter stone-coated steel, a revolutionary material that combines the durability of metal with the charm of stone. This game changer has transformed the appearance of metal roofs, making them look sleek, modern, and yes, even stylish. The days of a one-size-fits-all metal roof are long gone. Now you have a plethora of options when it comes to colors and styles, allowing you to choose a metal roof that complements the aesthetic of your home. Now let's zoom in on stone-coated steel and explore why it's making waves in the roofing industry. Stone-coated steel roofs are crafted by layering galvanized steel with a protective coating that includes natural stone chips. This not only adds strength and durability, but also gives the roof a distinctive and attractive appearance. You won't believe the variety. From classic to contemporary, these roofs come in an array of decorator colors and styles. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of slate or the warm tones of terracotta, there's a stone-coated steel roof to match your taste. And there you have it, folks, the lowdown on what modern metal roofs look like. Gone are the days of uninspiring metal coverings. Today's metal roofs are as much about style as they are about substance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and let us know in the comments if you'd consider a modern metal roof for your home. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay inspired, stay informed, and metal up.